Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Oh, hold on. Right now I'm doing a bit of a boot up test. Okay. So it's time, I'm doing a boot up test on these phones. Hang on, let me turn on the light. Oh, Jesus. My bad. So back to what I was saying. I'm doing a boot up test on these phones. As well as my watch. So in the left, this is the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. In the right, this is the Samsung Galaxy A06. And here's my Galaxy Watch 7. Okay. This phone's first. The watch. This phone. Alright. And right here is a case my little sister made for me. It's my clear case, but on this end it has my birchstone and ink demon. Like that. And on this one, it also has my birchstone, but it also has venom. I have a very creative sister. Alright. So now I'm going to turn this on. And this thing doesn't have a lock. So, right here, these are my two phones. So I'm going to go through everything. But first, I'm going to start off with my watch. And it sounds. So right now it's on sound. Okay, so right here. Ringtones. So starting off, we have silent. 80s phone. Blossom. Classic. Cricket. Dream. Glassy tone. Lark. Morning Star. Shiver. and Skipping Rocks, which is my favorite one on this watch. Now, notification sounds. There's silent, the beep, the chirp, dewdrop, flicker, that's the one I like, handbell, ping, singing bowl, soft chime, splash, and welcome. I prefer flicker. But however, with my media, so here, media, there we go. That was it there. That's the touch sounds. And here's everything on the watch. Now I'm going to go to this phone and go through everything on there. That's touch sounds, sounds and vibrations. So I'm going to go to all of them. Silent. One of my custom ones. We have the beep. Decaying. Another custom one. Another custom. All these are my custom ones. I'm just going through all my custom ones one by one. This is 80's phone. Let me turn down the ringtone volume. Asteroid. Atomic Bell. Basic Bell. Basic Tone. Beep once. Beep beep. Bubble. That's the ringtone sound. Chime. Chime time. Classic Bell. Dreamscape. Finding Galaxy. Flight. Flying Bloom. Galaxy Bells. Glassy Bell. Haze. Homecoming. Ice Cubes. Interstellar. Don't even try with these next ones. Over the Horizon. Don't even try. Because this does not belong to Lil Frenzy. This belongs to Samsung. Not Lil Frenzy. Lil Frenzy stole it. So I'm playing through it. Plus, both phones are updated to the latest version of Android. Don't even try with this one, because it belongs to Samsung as well as this. Pick it up, I don't like this one. Pulse, reflection, retro beep, shimmer, smooth wave, sparkle, also this is Venom. I'm a fan of Venom. Starburst, synth bell, now I'm going back to how I had it. Notification sounds I'll go through. Silent, bright line, whistle, skyline, 8-bit bounce, chaos, chocolate, coin, cosmic radio, crystal, daydream, deep thought, ding dong, obviously, idea, jump, laser, latch, molecule, clue, or whatever the hell it is, molecule, prism, pulse beam, red dwarf, signal, spaceline, sticky, telegraph, telepathy, transmitter, vintage, and wobble. So I'll go back to Brightline, which is one of my custom ones. Okay, media. Don't even try yet again, because if you do, a dispute is coming your way. So that's all on there. That's it for this one. Now it's time to go on to this one, my newest phone. Sounds and vibrations. Oh, hang on, I'm gonna start it over. Silent. Same bunches, same ones. I got hello Moto. Sorry about that. Let's try this again. same stuff again. 80s. It's the same ringtones. This is the only thing that's new. This was the design. I'm just doing ringtones and notifications. That's all. So I'm gonna go back to there. Now I got this one, which is probably the same ringtones too, or notifications. I know it's the same ones. Same space line. So I'm going back to this one. It's a bunch of vibration stuff. So I won't do that. But hey, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.